Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Went to Keynsham today. A little bit annoyed with myself. Bought this animation Praxinoscope. I knew I'd got one already, but I thought this was different. But it isn't. That's the one I've got already. That one only cost me 99p, still in the original plastic wrapping, never been opened. This one, I just paid £1.50 for. I don't know if it's been used before. Might as well open it and have a look. Yeah, somebody's actually used this one. And it's not in very good condition either. So that's frustrating. So I paid nearly double. For one that's a bit sad. Oh, it'll probably still work. Goes up through there. Sits on there like that. That goes on top of there. Or does it? Maybe we ought to look at the instructions. Right, that goes on there, that goes on there, that's on there. That sits on there that way up. That sits on there. There's a little peg that sits on top of there. So that's it. But I thought there was something that would actually make the LED flash. At night, turn the LED on, you'll be amazed by the flashing effect, which simulates early movies. Well, looking at this and the way that's lost its shine, I'll just see if that'll clean up. No, that's not going to clean, is it? That's probably the actual silver has come off the plastic. Well, that's very annoying. Still, we've no idea what this one will be like. Hopefully that'll be pristine condition. Let's put one of the pictures on. What have we got? Somebody moving. So it's supposed to align with the little dot that's there. That doesn't want to sit in. There we are. That's in the dot. I don't know if it will be in focus. We should see a little man, what is he, running and jumping? Might just about be able to see him. But with all that black muck on the mirrors, this is pretty hopeless. Well, that is disappointing. Let's try and get something positive out of it, I suppose. We have got a few more of the discs. But without that being a decent shiny surface. Yeah, disappointing. And £1.50 when I've already got one for 99p that should be in perfect condition. Okay, so we'll accept that we haven't done very well there. Just looking at these are ones that somebody's actually drawn themselves. That's one they've made themselves. Okay, I'll get over it. This thing is the sort of thing I usually don't buy anymore. A sort of helicopter-y thing. Usually find the batteries need replacing. Flying UFO. Okay, this one cost me 99p. Gonna need some batteries. At least it's got the charger, which is good. And it's got the little remote. Up, down, lamp on and off. Okay, that needs 3 button cells. Yeah, they look like AG13s. And then this one, screwdriver would be handy. Gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, needs 8. Alright, okay, well, I'll find some batteries for that too. Right. Lights on charger. Off, on. That's the off position. That definitely goes that way up. Not a lot happening there. This is why I don't normally buy them. It's nearly always the batteries died. I should think this is a dead battery. What happens if we switch it on? Oh, we had a little flicker of light then. So at least we know the charger lead is getting through. Don't know if we can see that little flicker. I just think that battery's going to be dead. The only reason I bought it was 99p. We got a little motor and gearbox in there, which potentially we could stick in the front of a little aeroplane. I see. That doesn't want to turn at all, which probably means it's fixed to the body shell. And then so that rotor spins one way and the UFO itself spins the other way, spinning the prop in the opposite direction. I am guessing. I don't know, but that's my assumption. Because there's only one motor and one gear. We'll leave it alone for a little while just in case we can get some charge into there, but I strongly doubt it. Well, that's a bit of a shame. It doesn't work. Had a bit of trouble with the controller. Had to replace the batteries and then clean the terminals to get that to work, but that now switches on and off. Switch it on. See the LEDs flickering. And where are we? So that appears to work now. The charger power comes on, and we did get a little bit of a flicker when we plugged it in to the UFO, but I've left it charging on there and nothing happens. I've also tried one of my own charger sockets plugs on it and that did nothing. So as expected, that little 75 milliamp hour LiPo battery needs replacing. So the choice is either replace it so we can actually try it out, or we just take it apart. So I've got a nice little geared motor in there that I could possibly put on a small little foam aeroplane. Free flight without any control at all. So I'll think about that. But as I say, I usually say don't buy these because they always need a battery replacement when you find them in a charity shop. And this one was exactly what we expected. And it cost me a whole 99p to find out. Oh, plus the cost of the battery replacements as well.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.